Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to Next Lux Reviews, the place where we explore the future of luxury on wheels. If you're into high-end motorhomes, next-level tech, and road trip dreams that feel like five-star living, you're in the right spot. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because the kind of builds we show here, you don't want to miss them. Today, we're diving into something seriously wild, the GMC Ultra D5 Motorhome 2027 concept. This is not just an RV. This is a moving luxury mansion powered by electric energy and solar innovation. Yeah, you heard that right. No traditional fuel, just clean power, smart tech, and insane design. Let's start with the first impression. When you see this thing pull up, it doesn't feel like a motorhome. It feels like a celebrity tour bus mixed with a futuristic luxury yacht. The front look is bold, aggressive, and super premium. GMC went all out with that massive grille design, sharp LED headlights, and a sleek aerodynamic shape that actually helps efficiency. The blacked out finish gives it that stealth luxury vibe, and the chrome accents, just enough to make it pop without looking overdone. As you walk around the exterior, you notice how long and smooth the body is. Everything flows perfectly. No rough edges, no cheap design lines, just pure elegance. The side profile is insane, especially with those LED light strips running along the bottom. At night, this thing literally glows on the road. It's the kind of vehicle that turns heads in Los Angeles, Toronto, or even London without trying too hard. Now, let's talk about those wheels. Because wow, huge polished alloy wheels, super clean design, and they sit perfectly under the body. These aren't just for looks either. They're built for stability, smooth driving, and long-distance comfort. You can tell this motorhome is made for serious road trips across the US highways or Canadian landscapes. Moving to the back, the rear design is just as impressive. Full LED taillights stretching across, giving it that futuristic signature look. It almost feels like something from a sci-fi movie. The storage compartments are cleanly integrated, and everything is designed for practicality without killing the luxury vibe. Now here's where things get crazy. The power system. This is a fully electric motorhome. No gas, no diesel. It runs on a high-capacity battery system, and on top of that, it's equipped with solar panels. So during the day, it's literally charging itself while you're parked or even driving. That means longer trips, less dependence on charging stations, and a much greener lifestyle. For people in the US, UK, and Canada, where electric infrastructure is growing fast, this is the future. Performance-wise, don't think this is slow just because it's big. Electric motors mean instant torque, smooth acceleration, quiet driving, and no engine noise. Imagine cruising through California highways or British countryside with zero vibration and just pure silence. That's a whole different experience. Now, let's step inside, because this is where it truly becomes unreal. As soon as the door opens, you're not stepping into an RV, you're stepping into a luxury apartment. The living area is designed like a high-end lounge. Soft ambient lighting, premium leather seating, and a massive smart TV setup. Everything is modern, minimal, and super clean. It's the kind of space where you can relax after a long drive or entertain guests without feeling cramped. The kitchen area is fully equipped. We're talking about a proper cooking setup, induction stove, built-in oven, smart refrigerator, and tons of storage. Whether you're on a road trip across the US or parked near a lake in Canada, you can cook like you're at home. The materials used here are top-tier glossy finishes, solid countertops, and smart touch controls. Now moving toward the washroom, and yes, even the bathroom here feels like a hotel. Spacious shower, modern sink, smart mirror, and equality fittings. No cheap plastic feel, everything is premium. This is something you'd expect in a luxury condo, not a motorhome. And then comes the bedroom, probably the most important part for long trips. A full-size bed, soft lighting, and a peaceful design that actually helps you relax. Large windows let in natural light during the day, and at night, it becomes a cozy, private space. Storage is cleverly hidden everywhere, so you never feel cluttered. One thing I really like is how the whole interior is designed to feel open. Slide-out sections expand the space, making it feel way bigger than a typical RV. You're not stuck in a tight box, you're living in a mobile suite. Technology is another big win here. Everything is smart controlled. lighting, temperature, entertainment, even energy usage, all managed through a central system. You can control it from a touchscreen or even your phone. This is exactly what modern buyers in the US, UK, and Canada expect: convenience, control, and connectivity. Now let's talk about the living experience. This motorhome is perfect for long road trips, full-time van life, or even luxury travel content creators. You can literally travel across states, provinces, or countries without worrying about fuel costs or comfort. The solar plus battery combo makes it ideal for off-grid living too. And yes, we have to talk about the price. Since this is a concept, exact numbers aren't officially confirmed. But based on the design, tech, and luxury level, you're easily looking at something in the range of $500,000 to $800,000, or even more depending on customization. This is definitely not for everyone. But for high-end buyers, this is a dream machine. Overall, the GMC Ultra D5 Motorhome 2027 concept is not just about travel, it's about a lifestyle. It's about freedom, luxury, and the future of mobility. Electric power, solar energy, smart interiors, and a design that stands out anywhere in the world. So what do you guys think? Would you live in something like this? Or take it on a cross-country trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read all of them. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Lux Reviews for more insane luxury vehicles and future concepts. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and I'll catch you in the next one.